What's up, everybody? Bill here. Just got off work. I'm hungry. I really didn't have like anything made, and I wanted to wait till tomorrow when the farmers market's open to get all my produce and stuff, and then go to probably Northgate and get the meat. But so I wanted to think of something quick I can make, and so this is what I usually do when I want to make something quick. Is this time I picked up some chorizo from Stater Brothers, okay, like a half pound. And then I have these hash browns in the freezer already, okay. And then I got these tortillas here. All right, hang on. And I got these amazing eggs from the market last week. So I'll show you what I'm doing. So to start, I'm gonna get these going, these hash browns going in this frying pan. Just pop them in dry and let them start going. So I'll be right back. So for some of my additions to these little tacos I'm gonna make, it's this 4 cheese Mexican cheese here. Okay, I put it in a little bowl here like that. Okay, all right. Then I'm gonna use this sour cream and just a little whatever hot sauce. So these are going. It's going to take, I would put these in for maybe, I don't know, maybe 4 minutes each side, 5 minutes each side. So put them on, you know, just dry, and you just flip them, you know, just like that. You'll feel it. They'll start getting soft. So we'll let that go just like that for a little bit. Be right back. Yeah, it's been a couple minutes. Tap it, see how it feels. Feels pretty good. Flip it again. Just flip them back and forth, you know. Get them kind of defrosted. They're frozen. Okay, be right back. So while that's the hash browns are going, I'll show you how I like to do my tortillas, okay? All right. So I have my little Tupperware dish here, okay? Might have enough in here. I like to use these little tortillas, maize blanc. They're kind of smaller corn tortillas. There's like 5 of them there. That should be enough. Okay. So put those in there. Just put the lid halfway on. Okay. Put it in the microwave. Okay. And since there's just like 5 of them in there, I'll just go like 45 seconds, okay? But I'm not going to start that yet. So these have been going for a little over 5 minutes. We'll flip them. Okay, it's starting to get a little brown there, okay? Yeah, you can feel they start getting softer. All right, so what I like to do now is take my half pound of chorizo here and just put it in. Okay, just like that. Break it up. You don't even have to put the whole half pound in, but you know, I like it a little meatier. Okay, just break it up. Just like that. This is just a regular chorizo from the local grocery store. It's like $3 for the chorizo. Okay, I'll drop that heat down just a little bit. It was on high, by the way. Okay. Turn the fan on. Flip these again. Okay, so those are pretty much cooked, almost ready. Okay, so just let that go for a minute. Alright, I'm going to cook on this for probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes, okay? So I'll be right back. Alright, it's been cooking for a few minutes. We'll give it a stir, see how it's doing. You can tell when it's done. We'll try sticking to the pan a little bit. Just a few minutes, you know. just want to cook it. That feels pretty good. Okay. We'll let it go a little bit longer. Okay. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Alright. What I like to do is just break up the hash browns like this. Okay. Break it up. Break it up, break it up. Put that pan down, there we go. Start mixing it up together, okay? Just break the hash browns down a little bit. Mix it up. Alright, I'm going to reposition this thing. The stove's getting dirty. Okay. Looking pretty good. Want to get them hash brown patties broken down somewhat, you know. Alright. Looks good. So, next step, I got these eggs, okay? I'm just going to crack it. Pop them on. And then 2, okay? And that should do it. 2 eggs. Alright. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and start my tortillas. Get these going now, okay? 45 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and get this going here like this, okay? You can see how much that made, and that was just 2 patties and not even barely a half pound of chorizo and just 2 eggs. And look at all that. Very inexpensive, and believe me, it's yum. Okay, so you get that good and mixed up, okay? So at this point, I'm going to go grab my tortillas, okay? Alright, my 5 tortillas. And I'm just going to go set them on my little table with my cheese and my sour cream over here. And my hot sauce. Okay. So I'm going to turn the fire off right there. Get my little bowl here. Give that one final little stir. Then start putting it in the bowl. Okay, you can see it filled the bowl up. Okay, that's enough for probably 3 people right there. Okay, so what I like to do, because you know this little bit goes a long way, so I'm telling you, cap it. Okay, cap it, full bowl. Okay, So I'll come over here. This is my little table, my little feeding spot, okay? Alright, it's my little feeding area. That's where I feed. Okay, I'm going to put it like this. Let me get my spoon. And my napkin. This is how I do it, okay? Very inexpensive. I mean, all this probably less than $5, okay? And this will be way more like, than, it'll totally fill me up, okay? And I'll show you how I do this. So I'll take my little tortilla, still piping hot, boom, okay? I'll take my little sour cream, half a spoon, okay? Put it on there, just like that, okay? Drop that there. A little pinch of cheese, like this, okay? And I got my chorizo eggs and hash browns right there, okay? A whole mess of it. And I'll just fill this little guy up like this with my spoon here. Okay, it's real fluffy and just real nice feeling, like, you know, it feels fresh. Fill that up. Cap it like that, okay? And just set your spoon down. Get your hot sauce ready like that, okay? Get your little chorizo hash brown egg taco. A little shot of that on there like that, and you eat it. Mmm. 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 2 thumbs up. And 7-Up, zero sugar, washes it down really good. And that's a really tasty little taco, okay? And this will make probably like 12 at least, okay? I'm probably only gonna have 5 or 6, and I'm gonna be stuffed and I'll have leftovers, okay? I'll do one more bite here with you and I'll wrap it up. Cheers. Mmm. 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 You gotta do this, okay? You gotta do this. It's so good. The hash browns are coming through. The hash browns have little crunchies on them, okay? And the chorizo is coming through. And the eggs are so good because they're from the market. It's just all so good. I'm gonna eat this taco with you, the whole thing, okay? F it. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Barely put a dent in it. You could literally feed a small family with this bowl, okay? And a little pile of tortillas and a little bowl of cheese. That could feed 3 or 4 people pretty much. Okay? For less than $5, 3 or 4 people could eat, okay? That's like less than $2 each, and you're gonna get full and it tastes really good, okay? Oh yeah, it's good. I'm gonna sit down after this video. I'm gonna get my grub on. So thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. You ought to try it, man. It's really good. A little bit goes a long ways. It's very delicious, easy to digest, and it's just really good. So hit the thumbs up. I appreciate that. Thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned and we'll catch you later. See ya.